Having trouble putting on your socks? You need to hear about the Sock-Ox. It's a sock aid that works on most sock sizes. It's also a shoehorn and a sock remover. Using the Sock-Ox will reduce back strain and extend your reach, and it's easy to use. Want to know more? Let's look at the pieces and put it all together. It's made up of 2 wings with rubber grips, a sock base with grooves, extensions with locking rings, and a shoehorn and sock remover. Take your shoehorn piece and this extension, insert this end into the socket and pull down. Slide the locking ring forward till you hear a click. To lock, slide up, and to unlock, slide down. Follow the last step to attach the sock base to the extension. Slide wings into groove on the base till it clicks. Make sure the 1 lines up with the 1 and the 2 with the 2. You can adjust for small, medium, and large sock size when putting on the wings. Now that it's all put together, I'll show you how it helps you put on your socks. To load the sock, make sure the toe is pointing outward. Stretch the top of the sock over the wing grips. Insert your foot into the opening and pull up. To release the sock from the grips, push forward and down. To use the shoehorn, insert at the back of the shoe and slide your foot down. It also can be used while standing. To pull off your socks, slip the shoehorn between your sock and your leg with the small hook facing outward and push the socks down and off. To disassemble, remove the wings. Unlock the extensions. And it's also very compact when you travel. Now it's time for some tips and tricks. The Sock-Ox can also be used one-handed. Need a size between small and medium? Put one of them on small and slide the other one into medium to adapt. When you need to remove the wings, firmly hit it with your hand or tap it on a hard surface. Make sure your feet are dry before you put on your socks. Are your socks still hard to slide on? Try applying baby powder to your feet. It helps the socks to slide on easier. When putting the sock on your left foot, holding the Sock-Ox in your right hand makes it easier, and vice versa. If you have longer socks, first you bunch it down further on the wings like this. Pull on your sock and finish by pulling it up with your hand. The last step is, where do I get a Sock-Ox? Amazon.com, Walmart.com, and easy-to-use products.com.